How to create your free Netflix account. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your free Netflix account. First of all, go on the Google Play Store and search for the Netflix option if there is any option available right here. After searching for it, if there is update option available, do update it. If not, then you can simply install your Netflix and open your Netflix as it is. And after opening your Netflix, what you need to do is follow the following steps. Visit the Netflix website, open the web browser on your PC and go to Netflix official website. If you are not using your phone, then you need to go on your PC and then go on the Netflix website. After you go on your Netflix website, you need to click on join free for a month. After clicking on the join free for a month, you need to choose a plan. If there is no free trial, select one of the available subscription plans, basic, standard, or premium. Enter your email and password. Provide a valid email address and create a secure password for your Netflix account. Now set up payment information. Enter your payment details, credit or debit card, or other payment methods to finalize your subscription. Now create your profile. Follow the prompts to set up your profile, including selecting your profile, genres, and adding profiles for other users if needed. Now start watching. Further offers changes in the Netflix subscription policies, you should check the official Netflix website or contact their customer support as well. And that might help you a lot. So that's how we can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below.